Hello, we are the Octorara manufacturing team, and we are here at JGM to learn what's so cool about manufacturing. JGM is a steel manufacturing plant located in Coatesville. To find out more about this, we interviewed some employees. What do you do here at JGM?
I'm welder 1 right now. The welder creates a molten puddle, and that fuses the plates together.
I'm a fabrication lead, so I run a small crew of guys in one of our fab areas.
I am the health and safety manager here for JGM. My job would be to make sure, along with my team, that everybody goes home safe at the end of the day.
What does a regular day look like for you?
I come in, we do our warm-ups, and then I go to my lead to see what projects we got to work on today.
So we start off the mornings with, I have 2 safety huddles, one for the shop and one for the management team. So we just go over what is your number one thing that you're going to do to keep JGM going that day.
What does manufacturing mean to you?
Manufacturing means being able to create something that's important, and I like doing this because I get to work with different people and work with a team.
Enjoy working on real parts of this country and getting to see the work that we do every day.
At JGM, safety is the #1 priority. They value caution and recognize the importance of taking precautions to prevent injury. They say they like people to go home better at the end of the day, and that can only happen if everyone stays safe and follows all of their important guidelines.